Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you 5 retakes that can make you play exactly like Blizzard. This retake starts with the triple edit with protective walls to the side, and then he does a triple edit, resets this cone, and then he goes up, does a quad edit, goes back down, and jumps up and hits the kill. This retake is very effective in PG. Sometimes zone wars if you could use it well, but I personally really like this one. The second retake starts with the triple edit, spiteful cone, and then a triple edit to the side, a cone, 2 walls on ramp, another cone, and then a wall, and then he flips the cone, goes down, goes down, and then he pumps them. This retake is also really good and flashy if you could use it correctly. This retake can be very complicated for others. That's why I simplified it. So his version of this retake is a side jump with walls behind, and then another side jump, same way, and then a triple edit, which I messed up, a quad edit, and then he does usually over to this side, and then he does this. This retake is very flashy and usually used in zone wars. Sometimes can be used in PGs, and really good for clips. And all these retakes combined can be used to be an insane clip. Blizzard has many good clips, but these just these 3 retakes. I'm pretty sure this retake is mainly used in PGs just because how simple it is, and usually zone players shouldn't use this, but it is a quad edit down. I do triple edit because I am not that flashy, but he does quad edit up, and then a triple edit, a backwards triple edit, and then jump up, and then he hits the person 200. And this retake is very clean and simple for many players. Once again, Blizzard is a way more complicated version of this retake. So he does do the same exact side jump and then another side jump, but vertically this, and then he goes up and full boxes the player. I really like this retake, even though I don't use it too much because I haven't fully learned it until I watched back to his old video, maybe a year ago, where he posted retake videos, and these were the 5 retakes that I learned instantly the same day I saw him. So thank you, Blizzard, for these retakes, and thank you for the inspiration. Alright, that will be it for this video. Peace out.